Let's make an onion syrup. I just want the onion flavor, so that's what I'm gonna do. And the proportions are important. A lot of them have a 1:1:1 ratio, so that's what I'm gonna use. 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup sugar, and 1 cup water, or parts if you'd rather use parts. It works perfectly here. So I've got a red onion. You can use any type of onion that you like. I like red. We're going to use that. I'm gonna chop it. I'm gonna chop it off camera in case I lose a finger, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm not crying, you're crying. I'm gonna now measure my chopped onions. I didn't do a fine chop, as I can't see anymore. I've got a measuring utensil. Let's see if I can get this in here. Yes, I'm using my hands. We'll boil the germs off. Oh, we've got a lot of onion here. So it looks about 2 cups. Chopped onion. So I'll add this to my saucepan. I'll get 2 cups of water and I'll be right back with you. 2 cups of water later, I'm gonna add this to the onions. I'm gonna pick up the rest of these and I'll see you at the stovetop. At the stovetop here, I'm gonna bring the onions to a boil over a medium heat. I'll be right back with you. Now that the onions are boiling, give it a quick stir. I'm gonna reduce the heat and I'm gonna let them simmer until the onions are tender. So it can be around 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see in a little bit. So it's been about 20 minutes. The onions are pretty tender. I've not tried them with my teeth, but I assume they're tenderer than they were before. So I'm gonna reduce the heat, in fact, turn the heat off. And I'm gonna transfer them into another saucepan, straining out the solids. If you're a cook or a chef of some sort and know what to do with these onions, you can certainly use them for some sort of cooking project. I'm not a cook and I don't know what to use these for, so unfortunately they're just going to get tossed. So now we're going to add our sugar to our onion water. And since we had 2 cups of onion and 2 cups of water, we've got 2 cups of sugar. Turn on some heat. Low and slow is the way I like to do my syrups. So I'm going to do a medium-low. I'm going to stir until the sugar dissolves. I'll be right back with you. Now that the sugar has dissolved, I'm going to remove it from the heat. And I'm going to allow it to sit and cool to room temperature. I'll be right back with you. Now that our onion syrup is cooled to room temperature, there's only one thing left to do, and that is to bottle, label, and refrigerate. So let's bottle 1. And we'll label it with our masking tape. If you have fancy labels, you can use fancy labels. So tape first. Oh, got a little drip down the side. Oh well. So we have onion. 1 to 1 to 1. And today's date is Friday the 13th of March. And there you have it. Onion syrup. Enjoy.